Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore more essential iPhone tips to help you master your device. Tips app is the hidden gem for the beginner to use iPhone easily. Select AirPods, you can see how to use it and features available. In Setup Checklist, you can see the primary features to be completed to safe from the thefts. Navigate your phone option is to guide us the useful things you had to know, like take screenshots easily by pressing the side button and volume up together. Meet Siri, your smart assistant. Say, "Hey Siri," or press and hold the side
Swiping
button
up
to ask
takes you
questions,
home,
set
while swiping
reminders,
up
and
and
holding
more.
opens recent apps. Brightness, volume, and Wi-Fi. Practice key features which will available only in iPhone, like tap and hold. Photos and camera is a guide to edit photos and features available to camera. Unleash the power of your camera app. Swipe between photo, portrait, and video modes to capture the perfect shot. Extend your battery life with low power mode. Enable it in settings to get more usage when your battery runs low. Discover the power of live text. Point your camera at text. Tap the text in the view. That's it for today's iPhone guide. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone tricks. See you in the next one.